I'm Juliet Carter.
Christian Henschel.
Lawrence Pardo.
Jonathan Heathcote.
Christine Riffgoer.
James Gibson.
Craig Wright.
I've just finished my PhD in computer science at the University of Manchester.
I've just graduated from University of York with electronic engineering and music technology systems.
I've just completed a degree in electrical and electronic engineering at Newcastle University.
Prior to working for the BBC, I worked a couple of years as a software engineer, and prior to that I completed a degree in computer and systems engineering.
I graduated last year from the University of Glasgow in computer science with quite a lot of electronics options. Now I'm here at the BBC. I've always been interested in media and production and of course computer science, and the BBC seems to be a very creative place where lots of different exciting things are going on.
I graduated a year ago from the University of York, where I studied electronics and music technology. Working here is a fantastic opportunity to work in a technical role in something that has such a big impact like the BBC, and such a broad range of projects as well.
I've just completed a Masters in Electronic and Computer Engineering at the Uni of York. There are numerous reasons why I chose to work here. I saw a lot of the demo projects that previous trainees had done, and I thought they were really creative.
So we've been working on a project to combine a lot of the archive video footage and television footage that the BBC has, and to explore this in virtual reality.
Essentially we're trying to connect BBC Redux, which is a kind of BBC archive, to a virtual reality, and finding new ways to explore this archive in 3D space really.
Now we're using the HTC Vive headset, which is a VR headset that comes with a couple of controllers that allows you to put a person in 3D VR space and allows them to then manipulate that space. So we're taking an awful lot of metadata for our BBC Redux programs and then processing that and displaying it in a three-dimensional point cloud. We then allow a user to walk around that cloud, viewing those points and the programs that they correspond to, select a couple and then watch them.
I've been working mainly on the video playback, so once a video has been selected from the massive BBC archive, I've been tasked with displaying this video on whatever screen we decide.
Unreal is a freely available platform that provides a very intuitive way for building virtual worlds for computer games, or as in our case, virtual reality. And it provides much functionality for interfacing with different controller inputs such as the HTC Vive headset and hand controllers.
So during this project I've been pulling lots of data from BBC Redux, and I've been looking at interesting ways of visualising the metadata and how these programs relate to each other.
In this project I've been working particularly on audio, so giving the player real-time feedback on its position and its position relative to other objects.
I've been providing sort of visual effects for user interactions. There has to be a user interaction when the user touches a piece of media, so it will generate a little cloud of sparks, I suppose.
Within this project I've been focusing on sound design to create a more immersive experience for the user. By the end of 2 weeks we're hoping to have a fully functioning demo to show to the other staff members.
The end goal of this project isn't to have a finished product that will be user-facing. It's more to sort of explore the ideas that VR gives us, the sort of new user interface paradigms that we can sort of show people.